Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best budget torque wrenches that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, a home mechanic, or someone who loves working on bikes or cars, we've got you covered. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. At number 5, we have the Kubeist 13 pieces preset torque screwdriver. This compact and versatile torque wrench is designed for precision tasks, especially when working with small components like those on bicycles, firearms, or electronic devices. It offers a torque range of 10 to 70-inch lems with an impressive accuracy of ±2-inch lems. The standout feature is its magnetic 1/4-inch bit holder, which makes swapping between the included 12 S2 steel bits a breeze. The bits themselves are durable and wear-resistant, ensuring long-term usability. The tool also includes a clear red line alignment scale, making it easy to read and adjust torque values. In terms of build quality, the Kubeist torque screwdriver is both lightweight and durable. The high-carbon steel construction feels premium in hand, and the entire set is neatly packaged in a sturdy storage box. During testing, the click mechanism worked reliably, providing an audible and tactile signal when the desired torque setting was reached. This feature reduces the risk of over-tightening, which is especially important for delicate tasks. However, this product is best suited for light-duty applications, making it ideal for hobbyists rather than heavy-duty mechanics. Its compact size and precision make it a great choice for bike enthusiasts and those working on small-scale projects. On the downside, it lacks the higher torque range needed for automotive tasks. Overall, the Kubeist preset torque screwdriver is a solid option for specific use cases, but its limited torque range places it at number 5 in our list. Taking the 4th spot is the Vanpo 1/4-inch drive click torque wrench. This tool is a great choice for precision tasks, offering a torque range of 20 to 240 nLamps, 2.3 to 27.1 Newton meters. It features a dual range scale for easy readings, and the click mechanism provides a clear indication when the desired torque value is reached. The inclusion of a 1/4 to 3/8 inch adapter and a 10 centimeter extension bar adds versatility, making this an excellent tool for bicycle maintenance, light machinery adjustments, and small electronics. The design and build quality of the Vanpo torque wrench really stand out. Constructed with an aluminum shaft, it is both lightweight and durable, offering superior fatigue resistance compared to traditional materials. The chromium molybdenum steel handle is rust-resistant, ensuring the tool remains in excellent condition over time. During our tests, the wrench performed consistently, delivering precise torque settings with no noticeable calibration drift. The storage box is another plus, keeping the wrench and its accessories organized and portable. While the Vanpo excels at precision tasks, its torque range limits its utility for automotive or heavy-duty applications. It's best suited for bike enthusiasts, hobbyists, and those working on lightweight projects. The lack of higher torque range is a minor drawback, but the overall build and reliable performance make it a strong contender, earning it the 4th position on our list. At number 3, we have the EPAuto 50 pieces Master Bike Torque Wrench Set. This comprehensive kit is perfect for bicycle and motorcycle enthusiasts, offering an impressive torque range of 10 to 230 nLamps, with an accuracy of ±3%. What sets this product apart is the extensive accessory set, which includes adapters, extension bars, and a variety of bit sockets, such as hex, torques, and slotted options. This versatility makes the EPAuto set a one-stop solution for almost any bike maintenance task. The construction quality is top-notch, with the wrench crafted from CRV steel and aerospace-grade aluminum for durability and rust resistance. The reversible 72-tooth ratchet head allows for dual-direction operation, making it highly user-friendly. The wrench also features a quick-release mechanism for easy socket changes. During our testing, the mechanism worked flawlessly, providing a clear, tactile, and audible signal when the desired torque setting was achieved, which ensures precision and prevents over-tightening. While this kit is an excellent choice for bike enthusiasts, it might be overkill for users who don't require such an extensive array of accessories. Additionally, its torque range is more suited for lightweight tasks, limiting its utility for automotive or heavy machinery work. Nevertheless, the EPAuto 50 pieces set offers exceptional value for bike repairs and small-scale maintenance, making it a worthy inclusion at number 3 on our list. In the runner-up position, we have the SUZUME 3PCS torque wrench set. This set includes 3 different torque wrenches, 1/4 inch, 3/8 inch, and 1/2 inch drives, covering a wide torque range from 20 inbounds to 170 feet-bounds. Each wrench features dual-direction operation and dual scales for easy readability. The precision is impressive, with an accuracy of ±3%, and the click mechanism ensures precise torque application without over-tightening. The build quality of the SUZUME set is exceptional. Made from CRA-V steel with a chrome-plated finish, these wrenches are not only durable but also corrosion-resistant. The aluminum alloy handles are lightweight, making them comfortable to use over extended periods. The laser-etched scales are clear and don't fade over time, ensuring long-term usability. The included extensions and adapters add versatility, allowing you to tackle automotive, motorcycle, and bicycle repairs with ease. While this set offers incredible value and versatility, its higher price point might be a deterrent for casual users. Additionally, the weight of the storage case makes it less portable. However, if you're looking for a comprehensive heavy-duty solution for a variety of applications, the SUZUME 3PCS torque wrench set is a fantastic investment and well-deserving of the number 2 spot. And finally, taking the top spot at number 1 is the EPAuto 1/2 inch drive click torque wrench. This tool is a fantastic all-rounder, offering a torque range of 10 to 150 feet-pounds with an accuracy of ±4%. It's made from hardened chrome vanadium steel with a satin finish, ensuring durability and corrosion resistance. The knurled handle provides a non-slip grip, making it comfortable and safe to use. The click mechanism is both audible and tactile, letting you know exactly when you've reached the preset torque. The EPAuto torque wrench excels in both design and functionality. It includes a high-contrast dual-range scale that's easy to read even in low-light conditions. The tool comes pre-calibrated, so you can start using it right out of the box. The inclusion of a 5-inch extension bar adds versatility, making it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from automotive repairs to installing bike components. What makes this wrench the best in its class is its combination of affordability, durability, and precision. It's user-friendly for beginners, yet reliable enough for experienced mechanics. The only minor drawback is that it doesn't include a wider assortment of adapters, but this is easily remedied with additional purchases. Overall, the EPAuto torque wrench is the perfect balance of price and performance, making it our top pick for budget torque wrenches. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. See you in the next video.